In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a table in Gmail, a handy trick that can significantly enhance your email presentations by adding a well-organized way to display data or any information that you want to stand out. Now, let's dive straight into the step-by-step process. First, we'll start by opening Google Docs or Google Sheets. These platforms are readily accessible and offer a straightforward way to create a table with customizable formatting options. If you're not familiar with them, both Google Docs and Sheets are part of Google's suite of productivity tools, which you can access directly through your web browser. So, go ahead and open up either of these applications. Once you've got Google Docs or Sheets open, the next step is to create your table. Navigate to the menu bar at the top of the page. From here, click on Insert, then select Table. You'll now have the option to choose the number of rows and columns, depending on how much information you need to display. This feature is flexible, allowing you to decide just how extensive your table needs to be. After setting up the initial structure, you'll want to enter your data into the table. Don't forget that you can format this data to enhance the clarity of your presentation. Options like bold text, background shading, or different text colors can help important information stand out. Now that your table is looking just the way you want it, the next step is to copy it. To do this, highlight the entire table. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse from the top left to the bottom right of the table. Then, right-click on the highlighted area and select Copy. Or if you prefer keyboard shortcuts for efficiency, simply press Ctrl+C. Next, you'll want to navigate back to Gmail. Open a new email and place the cursor in the body of the message where you'd like the table to appear. This allows you to insert the table exactly where it fits best within the context of your email, ensuring it complements your message seamlessly. Finally, it's time to paste the table into your email. Right-click in the body of your email and select Paste, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V. The table should now appear in your email, complete with all the formatting you applied earlier in Google Docs or Sheets. This ability to paste directly from Docs or Sheets into Gmail is an intuitive and highly effective way to include detailed information, whether you're communicating with colleagues or clients. And there you have it, a clear method to insert a table into your Gmail email. This simple set of actions allows you to present your information in a clean, organized format without the need for attachments or external viewing, ensuring that your recipients get all the details they need, right there in the body of the email. Happy emailing!